Revit 2022 enables designers to control the slopes of the interior and exterior surfaces of a wall. To get started, enable one of the wall assembly layers to display a variable thickness. This will expose the cross-section type parameters where you can define the slope angle of the interior and exterior surfaces. Change any wall to taper representation by changing its cross-section parameter to tapered. Update the sloping angles using instance overrides or the wall temporary dimensions. Align wall-hosted components to the slope interior or exterior faces of a wall. Taper walls will display clean joints at corner conditions. Design slope wall sections more quickly and easily using the taper wall features in Revit 2022.